There's something on the thing though. I already pressed it. What button? How come it's not working? It's filming now? Made me look like an idiot. Hi guys, Kent here. I just got back from a lard contest. I lost. I could have won a free 1-year supply of lard. They gave me a sample packet. It's in my pocket. I'll show you later. So let's look outside and see if we see any idiots. Nice hat. Where'd you get it? A restaurant? Your hair's red. What are you, bleeding? Nice phone. Why don't you throw it at the baby? Oh, she's not doing it. You're not that good looking, you know. Nice shirt, you hippie. What is this, Woodstock? That's a fucking wolf, you asshole. I could beat that baby up, no problem. Where are you going, to meet a man? Yeah, is that the man? Oh, fuck. Nice dogs. Bet they hate you. Nice purse. It's probably full of spiders. So that's it for today. I'll see you next month. Subscribe. Like the video. I don't know what subscribe means, but I've been told I need that to make money to buy lard. Bye.